As you know, the month of March, we've been creating HIV/AIDS awareness in all community members, especially girls and women, because it affects our girl and women's health more than it does affect our main part of the society. HIV/AIDS, by the way, is affecting the minority communities comparing to non-minority communities, the white community. Well, one of the reasons we don't have enough knowledge or adequate knowledge to protect ourselves from HIV. The second one, we have lower socio-economic strata, meaning some of them use sex as a means of getting revenue, which means any customer coming for this business, for sex work, may decline to use condom. So our women are more exposed for HIV. High use of drugs, illicit drugs and alcohol in minority communities, the Alaska Native, the American Indians, the Black Americans, African Americans, it's one of the factors. So how do we teach our community to protect themselves against HIV or AIDS? First of all, limit your sexual partner, one-to-one sexual partner, because sex is one of the major means of AIDS transmission or HIV transmission. How about getting tested? You get tested as often as possible because this is one of the means of preventing HIV. As soon as you know, you go into HIV care. Remember, HIV care is one of the reasons. How about using illicit drugs through intravenous way of, meaning sharing the needles? Avoid that too. Mothers, prevent yourself from sexually transmitted disease as well as HIV by limiting your sexual partners. And if you are once infected with HIV, remember to use medication to protect your child from acquiring HIV infection. This is also another way. So 3 methods: unlimited sexual partners or sex and with multiple partners, HIV, using illicit drugs, intravenous sharing needles, or mothers transmitting to the newborn, or through breastfeeding, or while in the utero, they can transmit HIV. So this is one of the reasons why we educate our women population. Women population, they should know that HIV is not transmitted through kissing, sharing food, life together, avoiding sex with this partner, or having a safe sex using condom. This is one of the ways of increasing our knowledge, especially in our women population. We get affected by HIV more than the main part of our society because it increases cervical cancer that is caused by HPV, human papillomavirus. It causes heart disease, increased heart disease. And also, it has more infection, vaginal infection, because of HIV. By the way, some states like New York, some cities like District of Columbia, they hand out free HIV testing kits. So make use of those free HIV testing